Yo, son, take a look at that.
Man, what is that?
That's a predatory profiteer, my brother. In the flesh. A vulture shark that poisoned our people and destroyed our worlds. Fake civil leaders, vultures, and bottom feeders, false seers, and light break and white beaters all trying to cash in on you.
Media hype, porno stripes, and steal your rights and fill your night with cycling lights. Untrue. You see, I know the man, I heard his plan. He speaks the truth with words greater and straighter than anyone can. So tell me, flyboy, can you?
Wait, stop. I got something to say. Hello again, everyone. I'm your host, Double A. This segment's topic, the Time Warner censorship. Well, it's not enough that Time Warner has monopolized the cable company and allowed you to be subjected to tons of subliminal messaging tactics that's tweaking your minds into submissive depression. Now they've gone a step further, started throwing their money around to buy up and manipulate all the info concerning the outing of conspiracy theories. In fact, they've gone above and beyond the Call of Duty to do so, and even as far as not only editing the juicy parts of the new hit show and new season of the Jesse Ventura's conspiracy theories, but have systematically begun to censor the airing of the shows themselves so that nobody knows if or when the new shows are even going to be on. So I've got something special for all you listeners out there in the cloud. See, I've got the end-all, be-all solution, and with it, I'm going to give you something that few people in this insane world truly can, and here it is. I'm giving you 1,000% guarantee. That's right, people, a 1,000% guarantee that if you turn off your TVs for 3 days and then sit down with a piece of paper and come up with a list of 10 positive outlet projects that you or you and your families can work on together, and then do those things for the next 3 days, then not only will your minds become more clear, but your state of mind itself will have a 360-degree turnaround, and you'll begin to see exactly how real, what kinds of devastating effects that box called the TV has been having on the state of your minds. Now, obviously, I know to most of you out there that this is going to sound totally off the wall, like a space cadet who thinks he's docked with the mothership. But I'm here to tell you that if you unplug from the drug addiction that is TV, that you'll step into an entirely different world, reminiscent of taking that legendary rabbit hole pill from the Matrix, and you're going to find out real quick just what kind of games Mr. Smith's been playing on you. Because you see, there's a new sheriff in town, and his name is Mr. Anderson, and he's throwing down some NEO on the NWO, if you catch my drift. So step off, unplug, tune out and wake up to the real world, the world outside the Matrix, and join the rest of us. You know, all the way down here in Zion, because there's a party going on with your name on it, and it's called Awake. This is Double A. I'm down the rabbit hole. See you soon. Wait, stop. I got something to say. I forgot.
Not holy bologna, cheese balls, and macaroni. This dude for real, he ain't no phony. Step up to the plate and ride the pony. Just sit down and listen what this dude told me and show me. If you a real mystic, then listen what I tell you. Hear the great wisdom of this Abylonia father, not some blabbing failure. Yeah, this old dude who picked me up but didn't pass the plate. Let me away from the thugs and drugs and ran my life with debate and hate. He opened the book and I seen the light. Just wake up and open your eyes for real, or just say goodnight.